Understanding urbanization trends in the context of human-environment dynamics is essential to population analysis, biodiversity, emissions evaluation, and land use land cover change. The urbanization projection model projects changes in the proportion of population living in urban areas. It can produce up to 9 alternative trajectories of urban growth for the region of interest from the baseline year up to 2100. First, select from the model's menu whether the region of interest is a country or a subnational territory of the United States, China, or India. The second option is based on the user's selection from the first option. If you selected national, data from the latest revisions of the UN's World Urbanization and Population Prospects are used to inform projections. If you selected subnational, there are 2 options. You can either select historical subnational population and urbanization records of the 3 countries to guide projections, or you can select the combination of these historical records with UN data for your projections. If you prefer the latter, you should select both options. Because the latter provides more historical records, we suggest that you use both datasets for your subnational projections. You can also upload your own data if they follow some specifications that are summarized in the Help message box of the Choose a Data Source menu to produce urbanization projections for subnational territories of your country of interest. The third option allows you to first specify the region of interest based on its code listed in its corresponding Help message box. And second, to exclude regions with small geographic areas and/or low population sizes from being included in the projection calculations. Finally, the last menu option allows you to either project urbanization levels for a single region or all regions at once. If you select the latter, be aware that it will take several minutes to finish projections for all regions. You can then find the resulting table with all projections in the Table tab and download it for your records. After selecting from all the options, click on the Run button to display projection results on the right side of your screen. Here is an example scenario to get you started. Select National and enter the code 840 in the region code text box. Then click the Run button. You can now see the 9 alternative urbanization trajectories for the United States in the Graph tab. The model follows a 2-stage approach to generate urbanization trajectories that cover multiple alternatives. These 9 trajectories are slow, slow urbanization growth for the first stage, which is 30 years after the base year, and again slow for the second stage, which is 30 years after the base year until 2100. Slow central, slow fast, central slow, central central, central fast, fast slow, fast central, and fast fast. The interactive legend of the line plot allows you to focus on the specific trajectories corresponding to the slow, central, or fast trends. You can also click on the Table tab to see projection results in a tabular format. You may also be interested in viewing subnational results. To view subnational results, you should select the subnational choice from the first option and specify which data sets are going to be included in the projection estimations for the region of interest. Here, first enter the code for California. To inform urbanization projections for California, the first option for inputting data is only using subnational records of the US, China, and India. The second option for inputting data is to use these datasets plus historical national records from the UN World Urbanization and Population Prospects to produce the projections. Notably, you can download both the plot and table generated by this model for your own records. Thank you for using the urbanization projection model. At the bottom of this page, you can find more descriptions and resources about the model. If you have any comments or questions about this model, please contact us through the contact page of the CDM website.